I'm going to show you everything you need to know about MindReader AI. I'll show you the actual product itself. Stick around after my little review of the actual product itself if you want to see the creators themselves talk about the product. But yeah, check it out. Okay, I wanted to hop on here and show you the back end of this MindReader AI, which is something that not a lot of people are doing. They're not showing the back end of the actual course itself. So this is one of those courses that they've put together, and it is a full course. It's delivered in a PDF, which I kind of like because you don't have to worry about like constantly just logging in over and over and over. And then they just put links to like unlisted YouTube videos here. So when you click this, it will open up a window and like a YouTube, it'll open up a YouTube window on your browser, whichever browser you use. These are some of like the best courses. Not a lot of people like promote this type of course, or if they do promote it, they don't show that this is how it's delivered. I love that it's delivered like this. Because most people will just kind of write it off like, oh, it's just some cheap course. I went through it. It's a brilliant course. Anybody who's looking to make money by using AI to create courses and do what's called marketplace leverage, where it's just like you just basically kind of have AI do some keyword research for you and then actually create the product, which they show you how to do that. And then you just do that a whole lot of times, like over and over and over and over. And then the profits just come in and you don't have to market it because you're leveraging the actual marketplace. This is something that you want to pick up. I'm not even making a fancy video for this at all because it's a simple product, a very simple thing to implement. I highly recommend you pick it up right now. Grab it at the link right around here. Forget about people's bonuses. Forget about all that. Just grab it and then just start implementing it right now. If you start doing it right now, by the end of the year, you could be making thousands of dollars per month. No joke. There are courses on these marketplaces that some make $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 a month. You're probably not going to make that, but you could easily make $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a month on autopilot for stuff that you just have to create one time that just sits there. So if you're trying to make money and you can't, this is where you should start.
Imagine if you could use AI to read the minds of 100 million people and know exactly what they wanted, when they wanted it, and then use AI to produce those products for those people and start selling them like crazy. That's what we have for you today in MindReader AI. This is an incredible way. I mean, it just boggles my mind how you can read people's minds. You can know exactly what's in demand and then easily, like incredibly easily, produce these info products that those people are desperately searching for. And now you've got a match made in heaven. You've got ongoing passive income that just keeps coming in and coming in and coming in. I've been making this passive income for years, and we're going to show you in this course exactly how to do this. It is so super simple, and it is so lightning fast that you can do this. And now something you did in a quick afternoon can pay you for months and months and months and years and years and years. You can be making money while you sleep with MindReader AI.
I mean, this is completely crazy. AI is just like, how much more nuts can this be? If anyone's ever watched the movie Minority Report years ago, it's like they knew what was going to happen before it happens. This particular platform that Dave has made money with over the years, now it's insane because the AI is telling us, and now it's going to tell you what over 100 million people want and need. If they could just have it, they would pay for it, and it doesn't exist. And then the AI makes it for you. AI does everything except collect the money itself. So again, it tells you what to make. It makes it for you, and then you get paid. You don't have to think, will someone want this? You don't have to think, would someone pay for this? It's telling you that they will. Don't think of this as an info product game. Think of this as a money game. Think of it as you're just being told, hey, if someone walked up to you in the street and they say, hey, if you could just touch your hand, I'll give you $100. Would you touch your hand? Probably. That's what this does. It's telling you, hey, can you just basically push a button and we'll pay you over and over and over again, and you don't have to deal with anybody. It's just there. It's just handed to them on a silver platter. It's insane. You need to pick up MindReader AI.
Yeah, this is basically a real simple copy and paste system. You don't ever have to know anything. AI knows everything. You're copying and pasting from AI. You're creating these info products at lightning speed. Guys, I've never been able to create products this fast ever before, and I'm the master of creating these products. So this is an incredible way for you to do this super fast, get these digital properties up and making money for you month in, month out. You're asleep and you're making money. You're awake and you're making money. You're working and you're making money. You're playing and you're making money because this pays you ongoing.
And here's what's so crazy about this. You can be from anywhere in the world. You don't have to have a previous following, and there's room for all of us. This is never going to be saturated.
You're accessing 100 million people from all around the world that are desperately looking for this new information, and you're providing it. You're the first to provide it to them. And that's a match made in heaven. You're just doing incredible. So that's what we have for you here today. Want to be sure that you check it out. Read the whole page because there's lots of good information in here, and we'll see you on the inside.